Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Blue Class. Okay, now Mr. Sadat is going to show you how to make a carrot from these two papers, orange paper and green paper. Alright, so now let's make the carrots first. To do that, you are going to, using your hand, fold this top corner into down to the bottom, but not really the bottom part, not just like that. So you need to spare space just about your thumb there. Okay, now press. Okay, let's press it, let's press. Okay, so now you have that shape. Now turn it like that. Okay, now you are going to roll this paper. Okay, let's roll. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Roll. Now to roll that, using your right hand, you are going to pinch that corner and then hold this corner and then roll. Now, like that. Very good. Okay. Now you're done. Now you have that. Okay. Very good. Now, you're almost done. What you are going to need is you need glue to stick them together. Okay, so now using the glue, you are going to stick this side onto this side. All right, using your finger, apply the glue over there. One more time, apply the glue over there. Okay, very nice. Clean and tidy. Now you're done. Okay. Very good. Very good. Now you are going to make the leaf. To make the leaf, you are going to need this green paper. What you are going to do is to fold it like that. Okay, and then press over there. Next thing you have to do is you are going to rip it. You are going to tear it, but just only you stop there in the middle, just in the middle. There, like that. Very good. Like that. Yes, like that. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Now you are going to do the same thing to this side of the paper, yeah, like you were doing to this side. Okay, rip it, tear it, and okay, we're almost there. Very good. Now you get the leaf. Now what you are going to do is you are going to fold it. Okay, now so you've got that. Okay, now roll it a little bit. Now, and then you chuck this in, fit into this carrot. Okay, now what you are going to do is you are going to glue the side of this leaf there, this side as well, there, and also this side. Now we have the carrot with the leaves. Okay, you can do it with your mommy and with your daddy at home. Enjoy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.